What is it? What did I do?
We're recording.
We're recording?
Mm-hmm.
What are we recording?
Mm-hmm. So, this is the start of my channel.
Now you don't know what to say. I can't get right.
This is our first vacation. We're at Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
Yeah. Oh, this is a joint channel?
No, this is my channel.
Oh, I think this is the start of our channel. I was like, oh crap.
My channel.
Happy birthday.
You will be making frequent appearances, I'm pretty sure.
Probably.
But it's my start of my famous YouTube career.
Yes.
That will get nowhere.
Don't say that. You have to try is to fail, son.
And the fail is a try.
To try is to fail.
And the fail is a try.
You gotta do the damn thing.
But yeah, we're here to have fun, and because it was his birthday on
the 17th,
and my birthday was the 16th, and today's the 19th, which is my dog's birthday.
But he's not here with us because
pets aren't allowed.
Yeah.
Wait, what were you going
I was
to
gonna say because Dion forgot him, but you dropped him off at his.
Anyway, we're here to have fun, and we're gonna go eat now. But stay tuned for more to come, I guess. Bye.
No.
Supposed to be over there. Right. That's kind of cool. That's the spiral turd.
Huh?
It's the spiral turd.
What turd?
It's dripping.
That's a hurricane. I'm glad I got that on camera.
No.
You are just.
Which, by the way, is a tornado and not a spiral turd.
Too late, it's a spiral turd. Definitely a spiral turd. So how did you enjoy your first trip to Margarita, though?
I liked it. Oh, for the camera. Margaritaville was a 5-star establishment. It was only the finest dining.
Yeah, 5-star price. 2-star food.
It was good though, I liked it.
This is where you're gonna get your ass kicked again.
False. We can make a whole dedicated video about this. Also, we lied. We're going into the Dragon's Lair.
Oh yeah, Dragon's Lair, because he couldn't look up right times.
For the tea. Professional.
Not like going off the steps.
No, that was perfectly legal. Watch how professional does this.
Yes, that'd be good. You just jinx yourself. Who's the better one of us?
I am.
Who's the better one of us?
Me.
No, good thing for you tonight.
The one with the greatest perseverance, which is me. Okay, what's the total score?
I don't know. You want to know for real?
No, but we should probably say.
You 47.
What?
Me 39. That's the park course.
Check his math, guys. Check his math.
Pretty sure that's right.
I'm gonna do a victory. Touch the water for the do it for the tube. Seagulls.
Yeah, I'm trying to get a tag right in. You never told you my story about that.
No, you still need to. I didn't even know there was one.
Yeah, there is.
Touch the water, Dion. The seagulls are doing it.
No, not.
Yeah, they are. That one specifically just turned around and cried one single tear because you didn't want to touch the water. And
That's also right.
shell hunting, shell hunting, shell hunting, hunting for shells. The new hit TV series on Lifetime.
Shell hunters.
What was that?
The show has been discontinued.
What does the fox say? Cancelled.
Adrian's first
Do I
time.
just eat it with the fork?
You know, you pick it up and you like.
Raw one, right?
Yeah. You'll like it.
I'm gonna put the cocktail sauce on there. It's like eating. It's like it's like eating a meaty loogie, but in the best way possible.
Meaty loogie. Yeah, you'll get those little shards in there. Yeah.
I like it. I'm surprised. Really?
Holy crap.
Holy
Wow! Wow. I've never seen that happen before. How do you feel about being a high winner on a Kung Fu Panda game of all games?
I feel like a kung fu master. It's because I had the noodle dream.
Really?
My destiny.
And we're done.